The PMP exam is quite a beast, and you need everything that you can to tackle the beast. So I have put together for you a workbook of 5 worksheets, totally free. All I ask for you to do is subscribe to the channel, Project Leadership Institute, download this, and this will help you immensely in your prep. Here's the first sheet. You can see I have broken down every single process by process group, by knowledge area, and you can see the key outputs. So this will help you as you prepare for your exam. Just zoom in and take down process by process, mentally going through what comes out of this process and why. What does it look like? What does it do for me? What does it do for the firm? What does it do for the project? This is a huge help to those people struggling with the predictive piece of the exam. So I want to encourage you, my friends, to really zoom into this. Now, for those of you that say, Phil, I want to know the process names and I need mnemonics, this next sheet helps you go through all of the knowledge areas. And I have mnemonics for the process groups. I prefer eating mangoes chilled, or I prefer extra money cash. On the left hand side, I've got these knowledge areas, and a mnemonic. I saw 6 chipmunks quietly roasting coffee, reading poetry stories. And for every knowledge area, I have got ridiculous mnemonics for you for every single one of those. The next sheet that I have here, my friends, is the Agile event sheet. And this helps you go through the Agile events and the practices and the artifacts. And you do this in a chronological manner. So you can see I've broken down the 5 process groups into events, artifacts, and techniques. Then I have a high-level view of the Scrum skeleton, chronologically laid out. And last but not least, I've got a very extensive page 25 breakdown by process group, knowledge area, and putting the agility into the mix. So this is an agile view of the world superimposed on a predictive landscape. It's crazy. So my advice would be for you to go through these with a fine-tooth comb. I also abbreviate some of the major things that you do in each knowledge area so that you can try to remember the processes like plan, scope management, collect requirements, define scope, create WBS. So let's zoom in there. So there you see the processes of scope, and then you can see the processes of schedule, and then I've superimposed concepts from an agile world so that you can compare what happens in the world of agile, what happens in the world of predictive. It's a very, very dense sheet, my friends, and if you're able to go through this and understand the sheet, it's a great sign that you are on your way to success. But if you're looking at the sheet and saying, I don't know what that means, I don't know what that acronym means, it just means you need to close the gaps, all right? I have a lot of detailed information about the sheet and the videos that you can watch to better understand. They're all here in the first tab, all right? I really hope this helps you. Do me a favor and subscribe to the Project Leadership Institute channel. You'll find that also in this worksheet. Thank you very much, my friends. Let's kill this exam and let's move on to bigger and more important things, such as adding value to ourselves, our families, our customers, our stakeholders. That's what it's all about. See you soon, and bye for now.